Today, I'm making homemade Rice Krispie treats, a classic, chewy, and delicious snack that takes just a few minutes to prepare. Perfect for kids and adults alike. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of mini marshmallows, 3 cups of crispy rice cereal, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Optional add-ins include melted chocolate for drizzling, peanut butter for a nutty flavor, and sprinkles for a fun touch. All right, let's melt those marshmallows. In a large saucepan over low heat, melt the butter. Then, add the mini marshmallows and stir constantly until completely melted and smooth. This takes about 2-3 minutes. Pro tip, melt slowly over low heat to prevent the marshmallows from becoming too hard later. Next, mix in the crispy rice cereal. Once the marshmallows are fully melted, turn off the heat and stir in the vanilla extract and salt, then gently fold in the crispy rice cereal until everything is evenly coated. Pro tip, use a spatula greased with butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Now, press the mixture into a pan. Transfer the mixture into a greased 8x8-inch pan and gently press it down using a spatula or parchment paper. Pro tip, don't press too hard or your treats will turn out too dense. Let it set and cut into squares. Let the treats cool at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cutting into squares. Then, enjoy the soft, chewy goodness, optional drizzle melted chocolate on top for extra indulgence. And that's it. These homemade Rice Krispie treats are so easy and delicious. Perfect for parties, lunch boxes, or a quick snack. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite add-ins. See you in the next video.